Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to make long beans and potato fry. The ingredients that we require to make this very simple recipe are I have cut long beans about 1 inch long. This is half kg of long beans, and here I have cut 3 medium sized potatoes, and I have cut 1 big onion. I've slit it to green chilies. If you don't have green chilies, you can use dried red chilies also. Salt, turmeric powder. Apart from all these things, I'm going to use oil for cooking, and I'm going to fry all this in mustard oil. But if you don't have mustard oil, you can use refined oil also, any kind of refined oil. So now let's start cooking. Yeah, I'm heating mustard oil in a karai. As you can see, it's heated. I'll add the sliced onion and the green chili. And I'll saute it for some time. Just little bit, for a few seconds. Now I will add the cubed potatoes. Let it get cooked on high flame for near about 5 minutes. Now after sauteing it for 5 minutes, I am going to add the long beans. Mix it, and we let it cook for another 5 more minutes. Then we'll add the salt and the turmeric powder. After 5 minutes of sauteing long beans and potatoes together, you can see I will add salt as per our taste and little turmeric powder, maybe half teaspoon, and I'll mix everything together. And we'll keep on frying it on high flame and continuously stirring it till the potatoes and the long beans get cooked. Here is our long beans and potatoes ready. As you can see, potatoes are cooked. This is done. So now I'll transfer it to another plate. Here is our long beans and potato fries ready. Isn't it very simple? With very less ingredients, you can savor this with rice or roti, anything that you want. A quick and easy recipe. and they look so good, and not only look, they taste also good. I hope you liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get updates of my new recipe. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon. Bye.